OPF के ज़ेर निगरानी ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों के तालीमी मैदान होनहार बच्चों के स्कॉलरशिप चेक्स की तकसीम का प्रोग्राम OPF हेड ऑफिस में मुनक़िद किया गया। सैयद जुल्फ़िकार अब्बास बुखारी मुआवन खुसूसी वज़ीर आज़म बराए समंदर पार पाकिस्तानी की खुसूसी शिरकत। इस मौके पर MD OPF डॉक्टर आमिर शेख का क्या कहना था, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
Honorable Special Assistant to the Prime Minister, Sayyid Zulfikar Abbas Bukhari, Secretary, WWA, my colleagues at OPF, media persons, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a matter of honor and privilege for me to welcome you to this distribution of OPF scholarship checks to the talented students. As referred to earlier by the company secretary, the mandate of OPF is the welfare of overseas Pakistanis, and the education of the children of overseas Pakistanis is part of our package. We have 24 educational institutions, the OPF schools and colleges across the length and breadth of Pakistan. There are 19,000 students studying in these 24 educational institutions, out of which 3,600 are overseas Pakistanis children, around 20%. These children are given 50% concession in their tuition fee, and for a parent, up to 4 children of an overseas Pakistani are given 50% concession in tuition fee. Furthermore, the overseas Pakistani children have the first right of admission to the school and the college. So, by and large, they are privileged in the sense that, they are availing a facility which is, at a very nominal cost as compared to the other students. As far as the education welfare services of OPF are concerned, we are also coming up with a university in F11. This will be completed by next year, June. So that will be another initiative of OPF that will see the light of the day. Furthermore, we have a school in Peshawar which is already complete in terms of its hardware, but we'll be recruiting the software. That school will also be up and running by April this year, and we'll request our SAPM to inaugurate the same shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, the level of commitment of overseas Pakistanis to Pakistan is praiseworthy, and it is their hope and dream that their children get the best education possible, because they are putting in a lot of hard work for that. OPF tends to support them in this endeavor, and I would therefore like to congratulate all the students who have won this merit scholarship today, and at the same time counsel you that you need to put in a lot of hard work, since you are already good students. Make a name for yourself and make your parents proud. In addition, I'd also like to congratulate my team at OPF Education Division, especially DG Education Raimo Bashar, who has worked very hard for the fulfillment and achievement of this objective. I'd also like to thank our Special Assistant to the Prime Minister, who has spared some time to grace this occasion despite his very busy schedule. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.